Next, let us solve Laplace transform of basic signals. In this, we are going to discuss 8 basic signals, that is impulse signal, unit step signal, DC value, signum function, exponential signal, unit ramp signal, cos omega naught t u of t, sin omega naught t u of t. So let us start one by one. Impulse signal del of t, perform Laplace transform, what will be the answer? Here we know Laplace transform x of s equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x of t e power of minus st dt, right? So here x of t is del of t, right? So x of s equal to minus infinity to plus infinity del of t e power of minus st dt. So we know this formula, minus infinity to plus infinity x of t del of t minus t naught dt equal to x of t naught, right? Here t naught is 0. This is x of t, right? So if you substitute t naught equal to 0 here, e power of minus s into 0. That means e power of 0, that is 1. So Laplace transform of impulse signal is 1. So for applying this formula, do we use any conditions? No, right? So ROC is entire S plane. So it is the richest signal in our signals and systems because it has entire S plane. Let us discuss second one, unit step signal. We want U of t, Laplace transform is what? And ROC. So we know U of t for t less than 0 is 0 and t greater than 0 is 1, right? So let us apply Laplace transform. We know Laplace transform x of s equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x of t e power of minus st dt. So minus infinity to 0 x of t we have a 0 e power of minus st dt plus 0 to plus infinity we have a 1 and e power of minus st dt, right? So x of s equal to, so this complete term is 0, and here if you apply integration e power of minus st by minus s and 0 to plus infinity, right? Here if you apply limits e power of minus s into infinity and minus e power of minus s into 0 by minus s. So from here you need to split this condition. Here if s is greater than 0 and here s is less than 0. If it is positive value s, this term e power of will become a minus infinity, right? This term become a 0. 0 minus this is 1, right? By minus s. If it is less than 0, then it is e power of plus infinity, right? So this is infinity minus 1 by minus s. Further if you solve this one, 1 by s, this is equal to infinity. So if you want to get Laplace transform output means you need to satisfy this condition, s greater than 0. S greater than 0 means here sigma plus j omega greater than 0. This j omega is periodic signal, right? E power of j omega means it is periodic. So sigma greater than 0 is condition to get this answer, right? So here ROC is 0. So complete positive side. So this is the ROC for u of t signal, or you can solve another method also. Here x of t is u of t, and this here 1 into u of t can I write? Right? For this one, e power of 0t u of t can we write? So this is right-sided signal, sigma greater than, and here we have a 0, right? 0. Got it? So Laplace transform of u of t is 1 by s, and ROC is sigma greater than 0. Let us see next standard signal DC value, that is A naught. We need to find Laplace transform of A naught. We know x of t equal to A naught from minus infinity to plus infinity. It is a constant value. So x of t equal to A naught. Or can we multiply with 1 here? See here A naught, I am multiplying with 1 means this 1 can I replace u of t plus u of minus t, because u of t is 1 from 0 to plus infinity, and this is u of minus t is 1 from minus infinity to 0, right? So overall 1. Okay, so A naught, I am writing u of t plus u of minus t. Let us find Laplace transform of A naught. X of s equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x of t e power of minus st dt. This is standard formula. So here x of t is A naught from minus infinity to plus infinity. So A naught minus infinity to plus infinity e power of minus st dt. So A naught is constant, e power of minus st by minus s, and limits are minus infinity to plus infinity. So here x of s equal to A naught by minus s, e power of here minus s and plus infinity, minus e power of s, here minus into minus plus infinity, right? So this term, if you come here, s is greater than 0, so this will be 0, right? But s is less than 0, it will be infinity. Now same, coming to this part, here s is greater than 0, so this is a infinity. If s is less than 0, this is 0. So this equation, if I take s is greater than 0, then x of s equal to minus A naught by s. So s is greater than 0 means this is a 0, but this will be minus infinity. So overall infinity only. So if we take s is less than 0, x of s equal to minus A naught by s. So this is now infinity and this is now 0. So overall is infinity. So Laplace transform does not exist for DC value, because this signal is exist for sigma greater than 0, right? So here e power of minus st is valid. This is sigma greater than 0, and this is valid for sigma less than 0, that is e power of plus st. So there is no intersection between these subsignals. That's what this does not exist. Or you can draw in little shortcut. Here x of t is A naught e of t plus A naught e of minus t. From this I am writing this one. So can I write x of t A naught e power of 0t e of t plus A naught e power of 0t e of minus t, can I write like this? So this is right sided signal. So for this ROC is sigma greater than 0. This is left sided signal. For this ROC is sigma less than 0. Any intersection between these two? No, right? There is no common ROC. So Laplace transform does not exist. Let us see fourth standard signal, signum function, sin t Laplace transform. We know sin t is, for t greater than 0 is 1 and t less than 0 is minus 1, right? So can I write sin t equal to e of t minus e of minus t? This is x of t signal, assume, right? So x of t signal, can I write this one e power of 0 t e of t minus e power of 0 t e of minus t, because e power of 0 t is 1, right? So this is right sided signal and this is left sided signal, and for this ROC is sigma greater than 0, for this ROC is sigma less than 0. Any intersection point? For this ROC is C j omega. So this is sigma greater than 0 is this side. This is sigma greater than 0. But sigma less than 0 is sigma less than 0. So there is no intersection point. For this also Laplace transform does not exist. So there is no Laplace transform. Thank you.